What are we doing?
We're the bus slash shuttle. It's pretty tall. This is like the shuttle thing that takes us to the air show. So yeah, we are going to be there, and yeah. Goodbye.
Oh, hi. What are you thinking?
Awesome.
Hi.
I love you.
Thank you.
Ooh, it's pretty close to me. Yeah, there's some buses over there.
That's
what we're on.
In front of us.
They're waiting, I think. I think that's the entrance over there.
No, those buses.
Wow. There's the parachuter.
They were taking one of the DJs up in one of the stunt planes.
How cool is that?
Can we get a picture?
We're starting.
Yeah, we can get a picture.
No, you're just in front of me.
Oh.
Run through all your emotions real quick here.
I really want to. It's a cargo. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Are you excited?
It's a cargo. I'm speechless. It's a freaking cargo. Holy crap. Hey guys, we just found the cargo, and we're in line to go inside of the cargo. We're at the Air Force place thingy, and we're about to go in an actual cargo. I'll show you what it looks like inside when we get there. Goodbye.
Dang it. It's going straight up. Well, it went down and did like a dip.
Would you dare be in there? Yes. You would? Oh, now it's coming down. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Like free fall. Oh, that's my gosh. Look at that straight up.
Holy cow. I can't even tell if I got it.
We need to get all three of us in.
What?
They're taking off over there.
Is this the coolest thing ever?
Whoa, Mom, look. There's two over there. And then the other one's over there.
Are they all going to take off?
Yeah, we're going really fast. Whoa, look.
Can you hear that noise?
Yeah.
It's cool, huh? Are you enjoying the air show?
It is fun.
Fun was had.
Oh my god.
What is it?
It's here.
Jackson.
Look at that.
What do you think about this plane?
I'm speechless. Oh, it's taking off. Guys, we're inside. We are inside the cargo. And that's where it closes in above us. Above us.
It closes in right
And
through
then
there.
this goes out, and then this. Come on, this is bad word. This is WTF. What the? And then this is F.
Oh no.
Single thing in here means, because there's a lot of stuff there, there's a lot of things over here. Sorry, everything.
Yeah. Look, Jackson.
Okay.
This thing is awesome.
Jump around there, Bernie, and get in the pilot seat.
Go up there. Mom, will you come up and take his picture?
Lots of buttons. Lots of.
Yay!
Wow.
This thing is awesome.
Look at me. I want to see how you look.
World!
Close control.
Hey, smile for Grandma. Turn around.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
So cool.
This is not a good
I'm
picture.
actually in the costume.
Well, at least it's a picture. Come down.
I yelled out that window.
That's amazing.
Yep.
Ever learn all those controls?
Oh, what is that big thingy?
It's the front. It's the nose.
Comment in the comment section what this thingy is.
You hungry? Let's go find some food.
It's like,
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think there is.
if there's a
How did you
bunch-
like it, Mom?
If, there,
It's interesting. I think the cockpit's fascinating. All those controls and
if
stuff.
there's a bunch.
We are trying Egyptian food for the very first time. It's called the Aladdin. Jackson's just getting the chicken strips, but we're gonna try this Mediterranean shawarma.
Can I have a do?
You wanna do?
Yeah,
I'll let you have a do.
So guys, there's no seats here, so my mom's sacrificing her blanket.
Sacrificing.
So yeah,
Oh, here comes the food.
here comes the food.
Thank you, Grandma. Oh my gosh, that looks bomb. Egyptian food. We've never had Egyptian food. Jackson should have tried something like this. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, look, Jackson. Wow, that was cool. Did you see that, Jackson? Yeah. That was awesome. They just all went up together. I missed it. All five of them went up except for those.
Chicken's good.
You like the chicken?
Look, he's eating that meat.
Oh yeah, the big turkey leg. I ate one of those, didn't I? They're big and they're good. They almost hit. Is that your favorite part, Jackson, when they almost hit? You like that when they cross? I know, I'm like, he's not gonna eat all those fries. He's doing it.
Oh look!
I'm all-
Finally, you get one. Wow, look how perfect they are.
I know, they're like right in unison.
Now listen to me when I tell you. Okay?
Thank you, Jackson.
They're doing the Ferris wheel.
You're doing the Ferris wheel, according to Jackson.
Ferris wheel.
Look at the big circle they left. Oh, it looks like what are those things for the cancer?
In the lagoon, that thing.
Yeah.
Remember in the lagoon? Wow.
I can't tell.
Oh wow.
Oh, they're so good. They're getting so close to each other. Wow. They're doing a heart.
You think?
They're doing a heart.
Oh yeah, they are, Mom.
Aww.
Are they gonna cross?
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It looks so scary when they cross. You knew what they were doing, didn't you? Are you clapping?
Yeah.
When you're watching the coolest thing in the world and you're just still saying on your phone.
Well, he finally answered me.
It's hot outside now.
Oh, good. Then you can take your jacket off. Because I put gloves on.
Yeah, I keep on joking when I not do. Okay, here.
There is the tank. You can go in. There we go.
health, like it's a health helicopter.
Medical. Got your picture by it? Just say no to crack.
Our time now is 12:35. We're going to pick things back up again
Cute.
at 1:15. Coming up.
The orange ones are really nice over there.
Look it up there. This is such a nice plane.
Yeah. Who else wants to?
And we can go through the front window and get his picture too. Jackson, look at Grandma for a picture. 1, 2.
You can keep your head down.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
Have a group photo.
Yeah, that's okay. We can share. Okay.
The controls back and forth. Just be gentle.
He's like, whoa!
Big Keaton. You driving an airplane? Okay.
How cool, Jackson. We got the very front of the bus. Front seat for Jackson.
I don't know if it's safety.
It is Scentsy. We're all done. We
I'm going
gotta
to Meridian.
go to work. I have to go to work.
Nancy or Blue Cross, either one.
Yep. And she's got to go to work.
Huh?
We have time for work now. Jackson, what did you think?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, there's a very large glare on my glasses. I'm just gonna take it off.
There you go.
Shut the cage.
What did you think? Tell them about
It's
it.
pretty good.
Blue Cross and Cincy.
For the jet cloud.
And Cincy.
Yeah, very loud because like when they're in the air, it wasn't that loud, but when they were like 10 feet above me, it was very loud.
No.
So yeah, I think it's pretty good.
Can you say bye?
Adios.